So here we are. We're coming out to an island that the natives have buried a lot of people on. There's, of course, me and Mel and Michael and Nani. And I'm going to flip this around so you can get a good shot of me. We're going out here. There's been a legend about a witch or a Bruha that lives out here on the island. Block us off, but we're just going to do a quick survey of the island and check it out. So, all right. To the oh, Michael's found himself a little friend there.
She made me new.
I got better. And here's Mel, and there's Nani, and we're now entering the graveyard. Now they say it's about this time of day that the Bruha comes out, but of course we're not scared. We're not scared, especially me. Okay, so here we go. Subject to whatever she wants to do, and so that's pretty funny, Nani. We can actually hear something, I guess, moving in the bushes over here, and Nani and something pretty big moving over there. Of course, I think they're trying to scare me is what they're doing. Okay, so we've come upon a spot that's got all these crosses, but it's really not marked, and there's Michael, and yeah, it's very funny, Michael. Yeah, it's just really weird. It's very spooky.
Don't want to cross anyone out here. So there's two stones here that have faces facing each other. Like on the stone, there's two people from Switzerland that drowned. Over at the Atlantic side.
Let's go. I don't know where anybody is. We just started running. We were out here at the island, and I can't find anybody. And we're
Hey, Hoover.
Over here.
Oh, they're right there. That's okay. Never mind. Everything's okay. It's